Video.
但我想说你在干嘛？买好久。这是什么 flush 啊？
Hi everyone, this is my mom. That's my brother. We're at Long Beach Airport and I just passed by this really cute benefit bus cart and they sold all these like different makeup products that I had to try. So I bought 3 items in total. Yeah, look, they have this really cute tint set. This was like $20.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very compact. Just look, this is my comparison to my face, anyways. And then a contour quickie. This one I've always wanted to try different contours, just because I don't have a specific contour set. And this was a free gift with all.
All 3 items. Oh,
Yes.
did you show this yet?
Oh no, not this. This is the perfect start. I bought this because it comes with 2 different primers. One is a regular pore primer and the other one is a pro primer. And the third item that they have that's not a primer is the Professional Matte Rescue. Da-da-dun. Oh,
Our flight.
oh yeah, that's our flight out the window. Can they see? Yeah,
Go forward there.
there. Yes, that is
People are
our
still
flight.
coming out. Yeah.
Yes, we're heading to a cruise in Florida and we'll go see the Caribbean, Mexico, and also play around in Florida.
Bahamas too.
Oh yes, the Bahamas as well. And all 3 of these items, all 3 were $60. They were about $20 each. I have yet to try out this free gift. This was like $13, but they gave it for me. They gave it to me for free. Anyways, checking out. Bye.